The old cat got caught in a mousetrap but stayed silent despite the pain. He put noise-canceling headphones on the old dog and his son. Only then did he let himself scream freely. Earlier, the old dog had just managed to put his son to sleep. A loud noise startled them, courtesy of Jerry and the old cat's antics. The cat caught Jerry but accidentally woke the dog's son. The old dog warned the cat about waking his son. The son, Tyke, was scared, and the dog comforted him. The cat saw Jerry hiding in a flower pot and chased him. The dog tolerated their antics to keep Tyke asleep. The cat got caught by the dog but escaped for Tyke's sake. The dog managed to put Tyke back to sleep and also fell asleep. Jerry sneaked towards Tyke, and the cat hesitated but decided to act. The cat found Jerry in a pipe and blew him out. Jerry used the pipe to remove the dog's headphones. He then attached a trumpet to the pipe. The cat was too focused to notice the dog approaching.